What is going on, guys? Today I'm installing a Turbosmart blow-off valve on my Focus ST. Let's get it. All right, let's get this unpackaged. Don't need that. All right, I'll try to unbox this one-handed. See how we can do it. Nice, we love stickers. Oh, cool. So, in other videos I've seen, this actually comes with the 90-degree angle on it, but on this one, it's already got the straight one on it, so that's perfect. This is the one you will need for the Focus ST. Makes installation a lot easier. So let's get this out of the package. All right, tools you're gonna need for this job. You're gonna need an impact with a 19 to get your wheel off. You're gonna need some lighting, needle nose pliers. You needed a 13, a deep 13 to change this tip. So once that's done, you don't need the 13 anymore. You will need a ratchet, an extension, and a 5 Allen head. So here's the bolts we will be reusing. And oh, also, can't forget, if you don't have a lift, you'll need some jack and jack stands. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get this jacked up, and we're gonna get the right front wheel off. I really hate jacking a vehicle up in the middle like that, but that just seemed to be the best way to do it, to jack this side up. So although I don't recommend doing that a lot, that's just what I had to do to get this up, to where I could get this right wheel off. Now, I've talked about this before in a previous vlog. We was doing something to Steven's F-150, but we talked about how terrible Ford's lug nuts were. These are swelled up. I knew they were. I've already got new ones ordered, so I'm gonna have to find a way to strip these off and maybe go get some new ones just so I can get the wheel off. So if I can't find any right this second, then this installation is going to have to be put on hold. So let's go see if we can find some lug nuts. Also, I want to throw this in here real quick. I haven't even done the unveiling of this on my channel yet, so this video is being filmed way before it should be, but I just couldn't wait any longer to get this blow-off valve on. A little bit about this car first. This car is 100% stock. I'm sure I'll tell you all that in my reveal video. But anyways, this mod doesn't really do anything. It's just for noise, or if you later on go to a bigger turbo. But for now, it serves no purpose except I just want to hear the turbo noise. So I figured I would do throw this bit in real quick, just to kind of explain to you all why I'm doing this. This is the first mod I'm doing to my Focus ST. But anyways, I did not do a before clip, but this car is 100% stock exhaust, stock everything. And you all know as well as I do, you can't hear any turbo whoosh noise at all. So just there will be no before clip of the sound, but the after, you should really hear it and you'll know, what the sound is. So anyways, let's continue on. All right, I wasn't gonna film this, but if your Ford has swollen lug nuts and the socket won't fit on it, there's supposed to be a 19. Go get yourself a 20 millimeter, and I'll show you how to get these swelled lug nuts off. So you put the 20 up here, very carefully beat it on until you get it about that far on. And then take your impact. And then it pulls it right off. And unfortunately, to get this out, you need a vise. Get yourself a hammer, a punch, come over to the vise, put the socket in like this, hold it up at an angle like this, until you get it out like that. Anyways, I didn't really want to film this part because I hate mess ups and mishaps, but they all happen, and that's the beauty of video editing. You can edit all the bad stuff out. But for all you Ford owners out there, I did want to show you that little trick. Hopefully that helps somebody. It will beat your socket up quite a bit. I have a specific socket at work just for these because I work on all makes and model and work. But anyways, so I had to go buy this one for home, especially for this. So anyways, guys, I'm going to get this wheel off and we're going to get on to the good stuff, which is the blow-off valve. All right. Finally got that nightmare out of the way. Just pull your rim and tire off, put it to the side. All right, unfortunately, what we're changing is right back in there. It's 3 5mm Allen heads. So I'm gonna get that out and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's out and then when the new one's in. All right, here's the new one. This is a blow-off valve and a bypass valve all in one. And then this is just a bypass valve, so you can tell the upgrading difference. So this is a lot nicer. So we're gonna get this installed. And like I said, I'm sorry I can't do a better job of filming up in there, but it's literally 3 bolts. It's kind of a tight fit, but if you move around and then there's a hose that goes onto here and you take needle nose pliers, pull the hose off these 3 5mm Allen heads to get this out. All right, the new blow-off valve's in. It's really hard to see, but like I said, it was kind of a tight fit, but sorry I couldn't film it more. But I'm gonna go ahead and button this up, put the wheel on, let it down, and then we're gonna see what it sounds like. All right, I got the blow-off valve installed. Really kicked my butt doing it on the ground. I'm kind of spoiled and used to a lift. But anyways, I'm gonna fire it up. We're gonna see if we can hear a difference. And like I said, to all you stock ST owners, you know that it doesn't make any noise whatsoever. It's super quiet. So we're gonna see what it sounds like. All right, guys, that was actually a huge success. That's the first modification I've done to the Focus ST. Guys, a lot of stuff on this car is coming. And like I said, I've done all this before the intro video, so I might have told you bits and pieces in this video that I told you in the intro video, when in reality, from here, I hadn't even filmed this intro video yet. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the bell, get all the notifications. Follow me on Instagram at abrianlewisvlog. Guys, until next time.